Are you stuck with a frustrating cannot get slat error while trying to run your Webpack Dev Middleware setup? You're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this issue and get your development server up and running smoothly. I totally understand how disheartening it can be when everything seems to be set up correctly, yet you still encounter errors. Many developers face this exact problem, and it can be a real roadblock in your workflow. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reported that after running their Express server with the command npm run serve, they received a cannot get / message in Chrome when visiting localhost on port 3000. They confirmed that the bundle.js file is accessible, but the index.html file is not found. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? It seems like the Webpack Dev Middleware isn't serving your static files correctly. This can happen due to misconfigurations in your Webpack or Express setup. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the cannot get / error, the user should first check the configuration of the Webpack Dev Middleware in their Express server setup. This is crucial for serving the correct files. Next, the user should verify that the content base option in the dev server configuration points to the correct directory. This should be the directory where the index.html file is located. Additionally, the user should ensure that the index.html file is being served correctly. This can be done by checking the static file serving logic in the Express server. Finally, the user can test the setup by running the Express server and accessing localhost on the specified port. This will help confirm if the changes have resolved the issue. Fun fact, the first web server was created in 1990 by Tim Berners-Lee. Imagine if he had to deal with cannot get / errors back then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue arises because the index.html file isn't being served in your Webpack setup. To resolve this, you can use the HTML Webpack plugin to serve the file from memory. This is considered a more Webpack-centric approach. Alternatively, you could use Express's static function to serve the index.html file, but the recommended method is to utilize the HTML Webpack plugin for better integration with Webpack. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your paths are correct in both your Webpack and Express configurations. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your Webpack Dev Middleware setup should be working perfectly. Remember, keeping your configurations tidy is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss our next video.